Hi, everybody. Hi, it's Ryan Charnock from CDH for 5 Minute Fridays. So I don't know about you guys, but I've really enjoyed the Olympics, and one of my favorite events is the skiing events. I love all forms of skiing, and even the downhill, the slalom, but I also really love a good race. So we have this cross-country skiing is totally awesome. And so this year we had an amazing race, probably one of my top 10 races of all time, and it was done by an American. And this is Jessie Diggins. She won the first U.S. medal in cross-country skiing. It's a fantastic finish. You should check it out. It's on YouTube. But the difference here is what you see is there's a difference between two types of style of skiing. You have what's called classic, where they kind of move their skis just in a vertical way. Then you also have like a skating motion, and this is what they call the skate or the more modern. And so that's kind of what I'm going to talk to you guys, show you guys here today, is that in SharePoint, we have a classic pages that we have, that we've had traditionally for a long time, but now we also have this new modern feel, this new modern pages. And so how do you now convert your classics to your modern? So just like you can have a classic house, you can have a modern house. And here's a great slide where you can have classic on one side and modern. So let's get right to the demo. So the demo looks something like this. So let me pull up my screen. Boom. Here you go. This is an example of a great classic SharePoint site. So if I want to take this and I want to now convert it to a more modern feel, the place you can go is go right into your site contents. You're going to find a library here called Site Pages, and this comes out of the box ready for you guys to rock and roll. So what you do is you give yourself a brand new site page, give it a name, and I usually like to give it a name like home. okay, and you can dress it up. You can add some text or an image. Let's do a little. We'll do an image here. Actually, no. We want text. I grabbed the wrong one. Delete. Let's add a text block. Home page for IT. There we go. And I want to have an image for this header. So let's use this kind of like nice banner looking image, a kind of preset for us. And the cool thing is you can kind of move this up and down, which is great. And you can have these great little web parts you can add in. That's the whole modern feel. All right, so that's another 5 Minute Friday, but I'm going to publish it and set this up as a page. Okay, so this is home, and its official name is Home 1. Now the problem is if I go directly to the site, okay, the site is configured to then go back to the classic. So how does it know, should I use the new modern page or should I use this classic page? No problem, we got this. So I can go right back to that site pages library. Here's the new page that I set up there, and I can give it a right click, and there's a great option of add to homepage. That is fantastic. So I'm going to give that a little click. It's going to set it as the new homepage. And so if I look up here in the address, okay, I'm going to change this around back to the name of the site. And it should find now what is the page that's been designated as the homepage. And notice it's now the nice new modern. So there's a lot of anxiety that people have about this new modern look. And says, oh, what about, I got all these classic sites. How do I convert them? Is this going to be a migration effort? Do I need to get ShareGate involved and get a tool to do this? Like, the answer is no. You can, within a couple quick little steps, you can make a new page, set that as the default. The new page will default as a modern, and then you could take advantage of appreciate the classic stuff and also the modern. So just like people appreciate different styles, houses and skiing, you can do that same appreciation here in SharePoint. So with that, guys, this is my 5 Minute Friday for today. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.